Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you enjoy this content, then make sure that you subscribe so you can see more contents like this one. For today's video, we're going to talk about the Heartbee 5x5 closure wig. So this is a 5x5 HD laced closure wig. It is pre-cut and pre-bleached. It is a 180% density Brazilian human hair. It comes with a detachable and adjustable elastic band. And this is a 24-inch body wave. I've already applied this wig in one of my YouTube shorts. However, after wearing this for a couple of days, I have realized that I do not like something on this lace. So let me show you what. Let's put on the wig first. I already adjust it to fit my head. To make this comfortable, place the elastic band behind your hairs. The only thing I want them to fix with this wig is apply combs. As you can see, when I do put down the wig, this part looks flushed. But when you look at the edges, it's pretty much visible. So let me show you what I'm gonna do to correct it. At the tips right here of the lace, we're going to cut it off. And then this just came back to me. I'm like, a lot of times when we do apply closures onto clients, we cut this end part. So why do I still have it on with my wig? So this part is gone and I'm going to do the next section. So as you guys can see, I don't have that little bump anymore. What happened with the little edge that we cut off is whenever I try to make my baby hairs, they're always on the edge and make it pretty much noticeable that, hey, there's a little bump right here and it doesn't lay flat and look natural. So we're going to secure our lace down and we're using the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray, and this is a new spray and I actually like this one. They say it is undetectable, it lasts long, it has no residue, and it preserves your edges because it contains silk, protein, and biotin. I tried applying this two ways. So I went in first and I applied it to my skin and I allowed it to get tacky. Then I applied my lace down, I tied it, and then I could go about my business. Or you could do this and go ahead with another round over your lace, allow it to get tacky, and then you tie it down. After a couple minutes, when you believe that your lace is completely dry, then you just remove your band. However, it did say it has no residue, but this is my forehead. It will show if I do have extra spray on it. So I'm just going to go in with some makeup wipes and I'm just wiping off the extra residue that's on my forehead. Now this is a 5x5 closure. The main reason why we buy a 5x5 closure is because we don't want it to go all the way across our hairlines. However, if you are like me and you want it to look more natural, then you just take the end of your tail comb and take out some extra hairs at the front just to cover the elastic band. And you could also make baby hairs with your natural hair. First, when I applied the wig, all I did was use some mousse, tie it down, and it laid flat. But I tried the hot comb today and it worked out. This is the hair though in its natural body wave state. I have never added extra curls to it. All I do when I go to bed in the nights, I will make a 2 twists in my entire hair and then I'll just leave it just like that. For those little edges that we have that we cut off, we're going in with a black eyeliner pencil just to cover it up and make it not that visible to the eye of others. And yeah, this is the hair. How do I take it off? When you do wash your face, if you're not careful, the water and the soap will take off the lace. So just cover it with an elastic band and make sure that there is no room for water to get in. I love this closure so much. It looks super natural. Right now, all you need to do is go in with some foundation and then you could go in with some concealer in the part of the hair, but I can't bother with that. I will go in with foundation in the front when I do my makeup, but I won't go in when it comes onto the parting. They say that this is a 180% density. However, to me, this is a 150% density. I'll probably go in with some more wefts or tracks to this wig. Overall, this is a beautiful wig. I love the closure. I love the lace. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you'll see another one coming soon. Bye.